This is my webcam here, and I'm going to be showing you my General Signals Type 1 electronic bell. Tell it to Type 1 because on the top here it's got the screws. Now this bell here is actually from 1999. The General Signals e-bells did exist in the 90s. This one came from the Seymour Railway Heritage Centre, or whatever it's called, I don't remember its exact name. And I got it from there. And just turn it upside down. I can show you something. You might be able to just make it out. Right there, it says GSI, the General Signals Incorporated. That's what the bottom of General Signals electronic bells look like. And the hole there will be that's where the wires come. That's where the wire terminal originally was, but you can see it's corroded. And the mounting bolts, I put them in all the way so they don't get caught on stuff, so that the outsides don't get caught on anything. And there's a view of the speaker as well. Just turn it over. That's a better view. You see the cone inside. Hang on, move it a bit closer. You can see the cone inside it. Turn it up like that, you can see the cone which projects the sound outwards towards the road. And now I'm going to ring the bell. And it is very loud.